Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start Chapter 7, The Land of Ice and Snow, Greenland. In this chapter, you are going to learn about the location and climate of Greenland, about the wildlife, vegetation, and economy of Greenland, and about the life of the people of Greenland. So let's start. The area between Arctic Circle and North Pole and the Antarctic Circle and the South Pole is known as polar region. The area between North Pole is here above. It is at the very top of the earth. You can say extremely north. It is North Pole, and between North Pole and Arctic Circle, this area is called polar region. This region lies in the frigid zone. Let us read about Greenland, an island situated in polar region. Location of Greenland. Greenland is the largest island in the world. It is considered as largest island in the world. It lies between the North Pole and Arctic Circle to the northeast of Canada. Greenland lies between the North Pole and Arctic Circle to the northeast of Canada. Canada के northeast में. You can see here it is Canada, it is Greenland. It is a part of Denmark. Here also it is mentioned that it is administered by Denmark. Denmark is a country and Greenland is part of that country. The capital of Greenland is Nuuk. This is the capital of Greenland. You can see it here. This is Nuuk. Greenland is separated from the northern islands of Canada by Baffin Bay and Davis Strait. You can see in this map, here is Baffin Bay, and Davis Strait. So it is separated from the northern islands of Canada by Baffin Bay and Davis Strait. Greenland shares its borders with the Atlantic Ocean in the southeast. In the southeast, it has Atlantic Ocean and the Greenland Sea in the east. In the east, here it is Greenland Sea. The Arctic Ocean in the north, here is Arctic Ocean in the north and Baffin Bay in the west. Iceland and Canada, here is Iceland. Iceland and Canada are countries nearest to Greenland. These are the nearest countries to Greenland. Next is climate. Greenland experiences an extremely cold climate throughout the year. It has very cold climate throughout the year. Pura saal there is lot of cold. More than 80% of the island is covered with thick ice. Maximum part of Canada is covered with thick ice. In summer, there is continuous sunlight for weeks at a stretch. There is continuous sunlight. There is no night during the summer months and there is continuous sunlight for weeks at a stretch. Means for many weeks there is sunrise, there is daytime and there is no night for weeks at a stretch. The weather is bright and sunny. The weather in Greenland during summer is bright and sunny. Winters are extremely severe. Winters here are extremely severe, means बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड होती है. The sun does not rise for many months, and for many months the sun does not rise here, and there is darkness for many months. Like there was sunlight for many months, in the same way there is darkness, there is no sunlight for many months. People are not able to see sun for many months in Greenland, and there is no sunlight during the days. Even during the daytime there is no sunlight. It snows continuously, and strong cold winds blow at all times. There is lot of snowfall, and there are very strong cold winds that blow all the time in Greenland. In summer, when the snow melts, large blocks of melted ice often break away from glaciers and slide down into the sea. During the summer season, when snow starting melting, then when snow starts melting, there are large blocks of melted ice, and they break away from glaciers. They break away from the large glaciers, and they slide down into the sea. And these broken parts of glaciers are called icebergs. These are large icebergs, and they are not visible due to the thick fog. There is very thick fog, and due to that thick fog, it is not visible if there is an iceberg in the sea. The people who are in the sea, who are traveling through ship, they are not able to see the icebergs due to thick fog. The icebergs can cause danger to ships passing through this region, and these icebergs can cause danger to ships passing through this region. If some ship is passing through there, if people are traveling through ship, it is very dangerous in this region, because there can be an accident due to collision of, uh, you can say, iceberg with the ship. uh, One example of it was, you can see the movie that was Titanic, and it was a large ship, and it met an accident with an iceberg. If you have seen the movie, so you must know about that how they are dangerous, how these icebergs are dangerous. So this kind of climate is there in Greenland. There is heavy snowfall, and there are lot of icebergs in the sea of Greenland. So that was all for today, dear children. We have learnt about climate and location of Greenland. See you in the next class.